Asbestos lawyers are attorneys who specialize in handling legal cases related to asbestos exposure and related diseases, such as mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis. Here are some key points about asbestos lawyers. Expertise in asbestos lawsuits. Asbestos lawyers are well versed in the complex laws and regulations related to asbestos exposure and diseases. They have extensive knowledge of the legal requirements, procedures, and timelines associated with asbestos litigation, including filing claims, gathering evidence, negotiating settlements, and representing clients in court. Experience in asbestos litigation. Asbestos lawyers typically have significant experience in handling asbestos-related cases, and they understand the unique challenges and complexities involved. They are familiar with the different types of asbestos-containing products, the industries where asbestos exposure commonly occurs, and the medical and scientific evidence linking asbestos exposure to diseases. This experience allows them to provide specialized legal representation to clients who have been affected by asbestos exposure. Advocacy for victims. Asbestos lawyers typically represent individuals who have been harmed by asbestos exposure, including workers who were exposed to asbestos on the job, as well as their family members who may have been exposed to asbestos through secondhand exposure. They advocate for the rights of victims and work to hold responsible parties accountable for their negligence or wrongful actions that led to asbestos exposure and related diseases. Compensation and settlements. Asbestos lawyers work to secure compensation for their clients who have been diagnosed with asbestos-related diseases. This can include seeking damages for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related losses. They may also negotiate settlements with defendants or their insurers to ensure their clients receive fair compensation for their injuries and losses. Legal support and resources. Asbestos lawyers provide legal support and guidance throughout the entire legal process, from filing claims to representing clients in court. They may also have access to additional resources, such as medical experts, investigators, and other professionals, to help build a strong case on behalf of their clients. Contingency fee basis. Many asbestos lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, which means that they only collect fees if they are successful in securing compensation for their clients. This can provide an opportunity for victims to pursue legal action without upfront costs, making legal representation more accessible. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with an asbestos-related disease, it's important to consult with an experienced asbestos lawyer who can provide you with expert legal advice and representation. Asbestos litigation can be complex, and having a skilled attorney by your side can help protect your rights and maximize your chances of obtaining fair compensation for your injuries and losses.